Welcome! In this video, we will walk through the steps on how to repair your 1.5 inch, 2 inch, or 3 inch cast iron pump. The tools required for repair are shown here. Before beginning, drain all fluids from the pump body into an approved container or disposal unit. First, remove the 4 pump mounting bolts from the engine. Then, remove the clamp from the shaft. Once the clamp is removed, the pump can be fully removed from the engine. Remove the adapter from the pump body. Remove the spring and seals from the shaft. Remove the seals from the adapter. Next, remove the paper gasket completely from the pump body. Now, place a new gasket on the pump body. Clean the new seals thoroughly and lubricate with liquid silicone. Place the new seals into the adapter. Set the impeller gap to 30 thousandths of an inch. Lubricate the shaft and replace the spring and seals. Wipe away any excess lubrication. Replace the adapter and tighten the bolts completely until the lock washers are flat. Next, replace the clamp, making sure the clamp key is facing the pump body. Remount the pump to the engine, making sure to line up the clamp key with the keyway on the shaft. Tighten the pump mounting bolts completely until the lock washers are flat. Next, using a torque wrench, tighten the clamp to 40 foot-pounds. It is important to use the correct torque settings to prevent the clamp from coming loose and causing damage. Ensure the shaft spins freely by completing a test pull of the starter rope. Your pump is now ready to be put back into service.